Buying FLOKI token on Guardarian is simple and secure. Jump to our homepage and let's get started. Select a fiat currency you want to exchange, and enter the amount you wish to spend. Then select FLOKI from the cryptocurrencies on the drop-down menu. Before going forward, check the exchange details. Guardarian has a fixed fiat currency fee, and isn't charging you with additional or hidden fees. The expected exchange rate is the rate at the moment of calculation. Ensure you have read the terms and conditions and press the button to continue. Paste your wallet address, and write your phone number for SMS verification. Enter the code next. The following step is the verification of your identity. Select your preferred verification method and take a picture of your document. Then goes a facial check. We need to know you are a real person. Turn on your camera, and follow the written instructions. Most verifications are processed within a few minutes. After this, you'll need to manually make the payment from your bank account. Confirm that the payment has been sent. The exchange process speed depends on SEPA transfer speed. After we receive funds to the bank account, the coin will be sent to your crypto wallet.